Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the newest CapCut feature, how you can separate audio, how to separate audio tracks in CapCut. So this is a step-by-step guide. So if you guys didn't know, there's a new feature called separate audio on CapCut where you can separate audio, each of the elements of audio using this feature. So if you want to use this feature, you can just simply open the CapCut app. So let's just start. Okay, sorry, there's an ad in here because I'm using a free CapCut. Let's just skip this. Okay, after this you can just start a new project, or you can also open the existing projects in here. For example, I'm going to edit the audio from this project. So this is the audio. You can also edit the audio directly from the video. You can click on a video and extract it first if you want to, but I already have this audio, so I'm going to just edit this audios right here. You can click on the audio file on a timeline and then just swipe through this menu until you find the separate audio, these ones. So when you click on this, you can now just select the audio elements that you want to separate. So there are a few options in here. You can separate between the vocals and also the instruments, but this is a pro features, so you need to pay for it. Or you can also separate the drums only, guitar, bass, strings, or others audio elements. So you can just choose which one. For example, in here I'm going to separate the guitar audio elements. So let's just click on the guitar, and here you can just tap on separate, and here you can choose the to keep the remaining audio or not. So I'm going to just keep it, and then let's just click on separate. Now CapCut will separating the audio elements that you choose before. In here you can see the progress. You can also minimize this, but you can always watch the progress by clicking on this. And here you can see that CapCut will applying the feature. So that's all for me. That's how you can unlock the newest CapCut feature by separating audio like a pro. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you, but if you have any question, don't forget to leave a comment down below, and don't forget to click on the thumbs button. Click on the thumbs up icon, also subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.